So, business made simple today with the coronavirus that's out, but we still had an awesome time. And so it was really, really intense. So, in a little bit, you're going to hear from the students that finished the course.
Hey, my name is Satara Davis Robinson. Today I took Miss Karen's class on, just everything starting out a business made simple. And she did. She made it very simple. She actually told me a lot of things and shared a lot of things that I did not know, especially about profits and profit and losses, as well as business expenses and stuff like that. So she really did help me. Like, this class is so good. So much knowledge is being given to us at it comes off so easy for her. So I totally suggest everyone to take the class. What I personally got out of it was, I'm going to start my business and I'm going to do it good and I'm going to be great. And I am way more confident after taking this class than I was walking in. Like, the knowledge she gave me was phenomenal. Thank you, Miss Karen.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mickey Robinson, and I just took Miss Karen Long's Business Made Simple workshop. My experience from the workshop, it was an amazing workshop. We spent most of the day talking about our businesses and our goals and our visions for our businesses, and the tools and techniques that Miss Karen gave to us was extremely helpful. I know that I will have a lot of takeaways that she shared with me about my business. She was very professional. She was dedicated to helping the students in the class, and she tailored the class to whatever your individual needs are for the business. So what I basically learned was about understanding cash flow analysis, understanding profit and loss statements, and learning about the break-even analysis, which I definitely thought that was an eye-opener for me, because so many times you start a business and you really don't fully understand where your money goes. So this class is a very good example of learning about your business and how your business can become successful with the tools and tips that Miss Karen presented with us. And I really appreciate her for sharing her knowledge. So if you guys are interested in getting your businesses launched and jump started, I would highly recommend to take her Business Made Simple workshop. It is definitely worth the investment.